Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the afternoon daily weather briefing video. This is for Tuesday, the 26th of July. I'm James Spann. Yeah, it's hot, it's humid, got a few storms about. We do think storm coverage will increase late this weekend over the weekend, and there's always something interesting going on here, so let's dive in and take a look at it as we often do. We'll start with the upper air look across the country today. This is the flow pattern about 18,000 feet off the ground where the pressure is 500 millibars. Classic summer pattern, ridging across the deep south. Up on top of the heat ridge, we have the mid-latitude westerlies, the jet stream. And the visible satellite view, got a field of cumulus clouds across the state. Some of those have grown into showers, but not as many as recent days. We'll take a look at the radar composite. This was captured about 2:30 this afternoon. Got a few scattered showers over South Alabama, some thunderstorms over northern Tennessee, but really a pretty decent chunk of the state is dry today. Seems like the air aloft a little warmer, the air a little more stable. Heat levels, again, very, very tolerable. We can handle that. Those are at 220. Look at that, upper 80s, a few low 90s on the board. All of that is below average, by the way. Birmingham at 89, the same for Anniston, Tuscaloosa at 91. If you want the really hot weather, go back to the northwest. Memphis has 97. And up in Memphis, they have an excessive heat warning there. The county's in purple on this map. That's where the heat index will likely touch 110 at some point this afternoon, but no advisories in effect for Alabama. Elsewhere, flash flood watches for areas north of the state, parts of Kentucky, West Virginia. Had some really nasty flooding around St. Louis this morning, really bad. Flash flood watches cover basically all of Arizona. The monsoon season cranking up there. And heat problems back in the Pacific Northwest as well. Here's the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. Got a marginal risk just north of the state along a surface boundary that's trying to sag southward. This is tomorrow, pretty much the same thing. Much of Tennessee, Kentucky, near that stall front. And day 3, which is Thursday. Once again, a marginal risk just north of here. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Bigger numbers to the north. In Alabama, the amounts vary from 2 to 3 inches over the Tennessee Valley down to basically nothing over southeast Alabama. But every day there'll be showers and storms about. The idea is that there's going to be a stalled surface front near the Tennessee state line, enhancing rain coverage over the northern third of the state by Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And you'll see that in modeling. Tropical weather update. All is calm across the vast Atlantic basin again today. No tropical worries, at least for the next 5 days. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS. The 12Z run valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. And again, got a vortex over Canada, ridging down here across the deep south. And tomorrow probably a lot like today. Hot, humid, highs in the low, maybe mid-90s in spots, and just a few spotty showers, probably not many. Same thing on Thursday. A storm possible, not especially likely, hot and muggy. And then Friday, this is when we should begin to see an increase in the number of showers and storms. And we can't promise rain for everybody. We never do that on summer days. Summer storms, as we all know, are random and scattered. You might get 2 inches, your neighbor gets nothing. But cloudy at times, scattered, maybe numerous showers and thunderstorms in the high 88 to 92. And again, the higher coverage will likely be across the northern half of the state, and that's the idea for the weekend. This is Saturday, and this is Sunday. A mixture of clouds and sunshine both days with scattered showers and storms, most active and more numerous over the northern half of the state. Highs for the weekend around 90. And come on now, for the end of July, that's just not bad. We'll take a look at Monday next week, same thing, and then a week from today. This is Tuesday, August the 2nd. The heat ridge building a little west of here. And again, as long as we're on the periphery of that and not directly underneath it, we'll have scattered showers and storms about. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, August the 5th. That's some nasty heat north of here if this verifies. That's a 6,000-meter upper high centered over West Virginia, parts of Ohio, and Pennsylvania. But we're on the base of that, and again, there could be a few pop-up storms around, but just good old summertime weather. This is rain for Birmingham coming off the GFS ensemble, the mean between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 11th of August. Temperatures right where they should be for the end of July and the first part of August. Highs mostly between 90 and 95 for the next 10 days. And hot off the presses, got the brand new CPC Outlook in hand. This is for the period August 2nd through August 8th. And the really intense heat, probably north of here. And again, it's going to be underneath the upper high wherever it sets up. Temperatures below average in the Pacific Northwest and down in the Northwest and the Southwest, and also parts of Alaska, we should mention here. Hey, had a good time in Dothan today. Let's roll some Kid Cam here. Pepsi Kid Cam down in Houston County. Love being in southeast Alabama. These are some of the kids at Northside Academy and their summer camp. And look at this ocean of cookies. Come on now. This is working for me. Those were outstanding. And look at the cake. That's a peanut. You know, Dothan is the peanut capital of the universe. But again, the kids were just great today. Love kids that want to learn about science in the summer. You can learn in the summer, but before you know it, school's going to be back in session. It's almost that time. But again, thanks to everybody down in Dothan for their hospitality earlier today. That was a ton of fun. So that's it for the afternoon edition of the Weather Extreme video. Next video is going to be posted here tomorrow morning. And again, we're live at about 5:30 a.m. and around 2:30 p.m. weekdays for me. We have notes on the blog, AlabamaWX.com. And if you can, hey, join us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Call Alabama Professional Services. Standing water or high humidity? Call APS. Nasty odors or dangerous mold? Call APS. Critters, bugs, or other pests? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.